Little crybaby bitches.
What do you think we're doing?
We're moving.
We going the other way? Don't shine that light in my eyes. Keep that fucking light out of my eyes. I can't see anything. How can I turn around?
Be careful.
Fuck off.
We might have to take this guy out. We might have to take this motherfucker out.
Light out of my eyes. Keep the light out of my eyes.
Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. Step back, motherfuckers. I'm not gonna turn around. You can't make me. You can't make me. This guy's a tyrant.
What is your badge number?
If he attacks him, I'll jump him. I'll stop him. I'll stop him. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. Don't do it. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Fuck off.
Assault.
What is your badge number?
Don't assault.
You touch me again, and I'm gonna defend myself.
Assault me, motherfucker.
I'm gonna defend myself.
He has all the right to defend himself too.
I have every right to defend myself. Get that fucking
Make me.
light out of my eyes.
Why you out of breath?
Fucking pussy.
Why you out of breath, man? You're riding a bike. You're riding breath, man. You're riding a bike. You're riding a bike, man.
Or what? Get out of the area.
In the face! In the face!
Why you out of breath?
Fucking pussy.
Why you out of breath, man? You're riding a bike. You're riding a bike, man. Or
Get
what?
out of the area.
I can't see. I can't see, please. I can't see.
Okay, got it. Get that hand, get it secured, and then we'll do the next one.
I can't see.
Just pull this one back first.
Ow! Fuck.
Hold on.
I can't see.
We know you're gonna laugh.
I can't see.
Yeah, we know, it's gonna burn for a minute.
Ah!
You pull that.
I was leaving. I have it on recording. I can't see. What are you doing? I can't see.
Handcuffs. It's gonna live. It's gonna go.
I can't see. All the people are listening to this.
It's gonna go away.
Ah!
Yeah.
Can't see. I was leaving.
Listen, we're gonna roll you to your left side, and we're gonna sit you up.
Can't see.
We're gonna roll you to your left side, sit up on your bottom.
Can't see. I can't fucking see. I need medical.
All right, we're gonna get to.
Ah!
Okay, it's gonna burn for a bit.
Get medical.
You'll be alright.
Oh, where's my phone? Where is
It's
it?
over there to your right.
Give it to me.
No.
Don't touch it. I can't fucking see.
You want us to leave it here on the sidewalk, or you want to go with you to jail?
What?
You want your phone to go with you to jail, or stay here on the
Jail.
sidewalk?
Jail.
All right.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do nothing. God. Where's medical?
Get out of here.
There's a curfew. You need to leave.